One Bend business had a workplace outbreak of COVID-19. Ariel Brumfield spoke to an HR director about the outbreak. Ariel?
Lee, this is not the first business to have employees contract the coronavirus, and it certainly won't be the last. However, this business explained what happened and their plans moving forward. The Oregon Health Authority says 5 employees at FlexPack Corporation in Bend have COVID-19. The company on Southeast 9th Street produces covers for lumber, pallets, and other home building supplies. The outbreak was detected on September 28th. HR manager Jeanette Goodship said there was an isolated incident where an employee contracted COVID and is not sure how. Another employee contracted COVID-19 from her home environment, came to work with no symptoms, and likely spread the virus to other co-workers. Goodship said employees do work 6 feet apart, but when operating machinery, they're in close contact. She says wearing face masks were optional at one point.
We had for a while, and then it did slack off a bit where we were saying if you want to wear a face mask, wear one. If you don't, because it does get quite hot in there, but we are now saying you have to wear one.
Goodship said they have a staff of 47 and said only the night crew employees contracted the virus. They do require temperature checks and say all employees, with an exception of one, had no symptoms. That one person had a slight fever. She said they sanitize equipment regularly and will continue to do so.
Well, the thing is, we can do everything we can while they're here, you know, with washing your hands, keep a safe distance, wear face masks, hand sanitizer, and sanitizing equipment. But when people leave work, we have no control over what they do outside of work. But, you know, that's why we're doing the temperature checks, asking them, do you have symptoms? Are you around people that have COVID or have symptoms? So I think that's the only thing anyone can do going forward.
FlexPack does not deal directly with customers, so none were exposed to employees who contracted the virus. So far, only one employee who had COVID-19 has returned to work, and they were cleared by the health department. Lee?